I doing out in the sticks again? Oh my gosh, it's January 13th, 2025, about 4:45 p.m. And I just did a service call out here in by Colossal Cave Road, which is southeast Tucson. It's pretty out here. Dirt road that's probably 3 or 4 miles long. And service call was the GE gas range. The oven was not baking. The bake burner was not turning on. The igniter would glow, but the gas valve would not open. And that's because the igniter was not drawing enough amps. They need to draw more than 3.15 or more than 3.25 amps in order to open the gas valve, and then the burner will ignite. This guy was only drawing like 2.7, I think. So yeah, we replaced the igniter and they're up and on their way. It's working. But this is pretty. Oh, look, someone decorated a tree out here. Must be for Christmas. Now you gotta take your Christmas decorations down. But yeah, it's real pretty. Up the road a ways, I saw a house for sale. But it's nice. It's gotta be out here at night. Gotta be quiet, dark, and you probably can see the stars really well. So the customer I was at, they said they built their house about 20 years ago. Pretty much did most of it themselves. I guess they had the concrete slab poured by a contractor, and then they had some masonry work done by a contractor, and otherwise they did the rest of it themselves. Thought it was pretty good. Kind of inspiring. Older couple, probably around 75 years old maybe. So all right, guys, well, enjoy this view, and see if I can come over this little hill and see what we got. A little valley creeping along here at 10 miles an hour. So that's nice. Let's see what we got down there at Wash. Yeah, got these ocotillo here, long spiny plants that in about another month and a half, 2 months, are going to bloom and they're going to look real pretty. Maybe I'll be able to take some video of all in spring, you know, February, March. I'll see if I can take some video out in the desert and share that with you guys. Yep. All right, well, I'm going to leave you with that. I don't know what's up on that hill up there. Interesting. Not sure. Maybe if somebody knows what that is, they could tell me. It kind of looks like a little power station. All right, I got a little closer to these things, whatever they are. And it does kind of look like some kind of power line distribution center. I don't know. It almost looks like the top part is like a windmill or something, generator. Maybe it's a wind generator, I don't know. Well, you guys could tell me. We'll talk to you later. Have a good one.